Welcome back to Purple Digital. In our last video, we explored the world of digital transformation. Today, we are diving deep into the realm of project management with a focus on one of the most powerful tools out there, Trello. I'm Ravi, and I can't wait to show you how Trello can revolutionize your workflow and take your business or ideas to new heights. Let's get started. Effective project management is the backbone of any successful endeavor. It ensures that tasks are organized, deadlines are met, and collaboration is seamless. Whether you are a budding entrepreneur or a seasoned business owner, mastering project management is a game changer. Enter Trello, the ultimate project management tool that empowers teams and individuals alike. With its intuitive interface and powerful features, Trello simplifies project organization, allowing you to focus on what matters most, achieving your goals. Let's create our first Trello board. Just head to the Trello website or download the app, sign in, and click Create New Board. Name your board and choose its visibility and members. Voila! Your canvas for success is ready. I'm also creating a board for digital mastery that you can join from the link in the description. In Trello, lists represent stages in your project, and cards are individual tasks or elements. Customize your lists and create cards for each task. Use labels, due dates, and attachments to keep things organized and on track. Collaboration made easy. Invite team members to your board and assign tasks. Use comments to communicate within cards, and mention specific members when you need their input. Stay on top of changes with the activity log. Unlock more magic with Trello Powerups. These add-ons extend Trello's functionality, enhancing your experience. Customize your workflow by adding integrations with other tools. Save time with automations for repetitive tasks. Now that you are a Trello pro, let's talk best practices. Optimize task assignment, deadlines, and collaboration to make the most of this powerful tool. For more in-depth learning, check out the resources we've shared below. Remember, knowledge is power, but implementation is key. Take what you've learned today and apply it to your projects or business ideas. Let us know how Trello works for you in the comments section. If you found this video valuable, hit that subscribe button and tap the notification bell so you never miss an update from Purple Digital. Don't forget to like, share, and spread the word to help our community grow. Thank you for joining us on this Trello adventure today. We believe in your potential to achieve greatness, and with Trello by your side, the possibilities are endless. This is Ravi from Purple Digital, signing off. Until next time, keep thriving. Stay connected with us on social media for behind-the-scenes content and updates on our upcoming videos. Keep embracing digital tools and technologies to accelerate your growth. See you in our next video.